Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Huawei Health application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, tap on the devices icon to open the devices page. Here you should see your Huawei Watch 4 Pro. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner, select Unpair Device, and then tap on Remove to confirm. After the watch disappears from the devices page, you can close the app, open the settings on your iPhone. In settings, tap on Bluetooth. You should see Huawei Watch 4 Pro on the list of my devices. If you see it, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device to remove it. And now we can close the settings, and at this point the watch is unpaired from our iPhone. And that's how you unpair this watch from an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.